Man, I wonder what we're going to talk about today. There it is right there. DeFi's $100 billion milestone. Ethereum and Lido maintain market dominance. This adds to the legitimacy of crypto. By having DeFi locking up $100 billion. If crypto wasn't going to be around in the long term, then $100 billion wouldn't be locked up or in DeFi. Now, what is DeFi? DeFi is decentralized finance, meaning all of these traditional banking services. Yeah, you don't have to go to those banking services or institutions to try to get your financial services done. You can now go off ramp and enter the DeFi space to get those things done. So I looked up what is DeFi, and then Coinbase popped up and posed the question. The definition is short for decentralized finance. Let me zoom in so you all can see this. Okay. DeFi is an umbrella term for peer-to-peer financial services on public blockchains, primarily Ethereum. DeFi for decentralized finance is an umbrella term. Now with DeFi, you can do most of the things that banks support, like earn interest, you can borrow, you can lend, you can buy insurance, you can even trade derivatives, trade assets, and more. But the difference between DeFi, decentralized finance, versus centralized finance is that it's faster and it doesn't require paperwork or a third party to intervene between peer-to-peer. As with crypto generally, DeFi is global, meaning it encompasses, it enlarges your business prospects. Peer-to-peer, meaning directly between two people, and is not routed through a centralized system. It is also pseudonymous and it's open to all. That is another powerful thing for cryptocurrency, is that it's open to everyone. As long as you got an internet access and a device that connects to the internet, you are able to participate in this new market called cryptocurrency. Why is DeFi important? Well, DeFi takes the basic premise of Bitcoin, digital money, or Ethereum, or Lido, and expands on it, creating an entire digital alternative to Wall Street, but without the associated costs. Think of office towers, trading floors, banker salaries. This has the potential to create more open, free, and fair financial markets that are accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The benefits to DeFi is that it's open. You don't need to apply. You don't need to fill out an application for anything or open an account. You just get access by creating a wallet. Pseudonymous. You don't need to provide your name, your email, your address, or any other personal information. And it's flexible. You can move your assets anywhere at any time without asking for permission. There's not a threshold on what you can withdraw. Waiting for long transfers to finish and paying expensive fees just to get access to your capital. It's fast. Interest rates and rewards often update rapidly, as quickly as every 15 seconds, and can be significantly higher than traditional Wall Street. Maybe that's why $100 billion is locked up in DeFi right now. And it's transparent. That is why this article, being crypto, is let us know that the health of DeFi is still running strong. That's a milestone, $100 billion. The decentralized finance ecosystem has experienced a significant resurgence, reaching a milestone of $100 billion in total value locked for the first time since May 2022. So apparently it looks like the DeFi space went through a lull. People left the DeFi space, but it's coming back because I haven't seen $100 billion worth of value locked since May of 2022. That's about 2 years ago. Ethereum leads the DeFi space with 59% market share, contributing to the surge in total value locked alongside protocols like Lido. Despite falling short of the previous total value locked, the record that was set in November 2021, this milestone underscores growing investor confidence and interest in DeFi platforms. So what is it going to do to Ethereum's price? If Ethereum has 58% of this market, or 59%, and we're seeing a resurgence of interest of DeFi ecosystems, does that naturally mean that Ethereum is going to be even more valuable? I think so. According to on-chain data from DeFi Llama, the DeFi sector has seen a remarkable 44% increase since January 2024, going from $56 billion to $100 billion. Although this falls short of the previous record of $189 billion set in November 2021. But it still shows that there's interest in DeFi. The interest in DeFi is not waning, because if it was waning, it would have seen a continual movement or reduction in total value locked. But it's not, it's coming back. So it shows you that this has legs. Albeit it didn't reach 189 billion of the prior total record of being locked. Okay, so here's a graph just to visually show us that the market has came back. What about Ethereum's price then? Is it bullish? Yes. Now, I don't know if it's strictly just because of DeFi, but Ethereum is still bullish. Maybe because of the Ethereum spot ETF that many people are talking about. They're waiting for the approval. And I think it's supposed to go down around like May of this year, 2024. But yeah, they're looking for Ethereum to get approval from the SEC to allow these financial institutions to create spot Ethereum ETFs. Look at this. Very, very strong market in Ethereum. We continue to ride that trend and we're going to go higher, period. You don't need to listen to anybody. You don't need to read any articles. As long as this coin's price, Ethereum's price, stays above this trend line, it will go up. And then the next thing you can see is that the buyers has taken out all of the sellers within this $3,800 to like $3,875 price range. We consider that a sell zone. The buyers has taken out the sellers there, so we can get rid of that. Now you can see we are now hitting the ceiling of this next sell zone of like $4,050. Quickly looking at Ethereum on these other time frames, this just shows you how strong the market is. Look at all of these indicators on the weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 back-to-back consecutive indications of strength. You rarely even see that anywhere within the traditional financial markets. A particular instrument being that strong. 5 consecutive weeks of strength. That's huge. And it still shows that this market in Ethereum is still bullish. Still bullish. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay. Quick look at Ethereum on the 3. Here it is on the 5. 5 weeks is massively strong in Ethereum. This market is definitely looking for higher prices. I don't care what anyone says. Look at that spread on the 5 weeks chart. And then it closed on a high. It looks to me like the market in Ethereum wants to break all-time highs, just like Bitcoin did. So yeah, I'm done. Let's go ahead and anticipate higher prices in the market for Ethereum. Now I'm going to bring in another buy zone though. So this is going to be our support area. We don't want to see the market in Ethereum break this area down here. Okay. Now we got this area right here. That's a problem. Okay. So we have to consider that. Anywhere within the sell zone will have to be TP. Then our second area is going to be at the second sell zone, either at the low or the high. At the high, it gives us 11.5%. Okay. And then let's do a third target. And our third target will be all the way up around like 46.25 or so, give or take. Okay. That is it. I am done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.